Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the cooling fan clutch on BMW E39, E46 and E53 with the M54 engine. We can see the cooling fan clutch is located right there behind this plastic. It's right there and it's held onto the engine, onto the water pump by bolts that we need to remove. In order to remove the bolt, we need to put on a wrench size 32. In order to remove the bolt, we need to turn it clockwise because the thread is in the other direction. It's not a normal thread, it's a reverse thread. That's the bolt right there that we need to put the size 32 wrench on. When we put the wrench onto the bolt, if we try to turn it to get it loose, it's not going to work. So we're going to put the wrench on and then we'll take a hammer and we'll hit the wrench hard in order to try to loosen the bolt. Make sure you turn the wrench clockwise when you hit it, not anti-clockwise, because when you hit it anti-clockwise it's going to tighten instead of getting loose. So hit the wrench and it went down, so hopefully now the bolt is loose. Yes, we can see the bolt is loose, so now we're just going to turn the fan clockwise and the bolt will be removed from the pulley for the water pump. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Okay, and that's the fan clutch removed from the pulley. Next, we need to remove this cooling fan diffuser and then remove the fan clutch. In order to remove the cooling fan diffuser, we need to remove this coolant tank from its position. There's also a couple of coolant hoses that we need to remove from the diffuser that are on the bottom of the diffuser. When we remove them, we can take out the diffuser. The diffuser is also held by two bolts on the two sides, but I've already removed them. Before removing the diffuser, we need to remove, there is one coolant hose that's going all the way to the radiator. It's for the return coolant and it goes into the coolant tank on top. We need to remove that hose and then we'll take out the diffuser. That's the hose right there. Now that the coolant tank is removed, there's a couple of hoses on the bottom side of the diffuser, and we remove them, and then we can take it out along with the clutch fan. Okay, that's the fan clutch removed along with the diffuser. Now we can replace the fan clutch and assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.